Hi, and welcome to Need2Know. Did you know that for every $1 spent, email marketing has an average impressive $38 return on investment, also known as ROI? Would that motivate you to invest more into your email marketing campaigns? It should. Email marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses of all sizes and types. Not only does it serve as a valuable way to communicate with your customers, but it also provides an avenue to drive sales through promotions and discounts. But to really take advantage of the marketing potential that emails have, you need to develop strategies and tactics that will help you get the best return on your investment. And that's what today's video is all about. Email marketing tips to skyrocket your sales. We'll go over some actionable tips you can use to make sure your emails are getting the attention they deserve and converting more of your readers into customers. Before we reveal all the tips, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and smash the bell icon to stay up to date with all our content. With that said, let's begin. The first question that arises in everyone's mind before stepping on this journey is that, does email marketing really yield results? The answer is yes. Email marketing, when done right, can be extremely effective in driving sales and profits for your business. Many studies have proven that emails have a better conversion rate than other digital marketing media, and it is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach your target audience. Now let's move on to the tips that will help you rocket your sales through email marketing. Tip 1. Determine the goal. Every email campaign should have a goal. Here are some of the questions you should ask yourself before you start any email campaign. What do I want to accomplish? What action do I want the recipient to take after reading my email? Make sure that your goal is specific, measurable, achievable, and time-bound. For example, if you want to increase the number of subscribers to your email list, you can set a goal of adding 500 new subscribers in the next month. This will give you a clear direction on how to structure the campaign and what strategies to use. Tip 2. Know your target audience. Understanding your target audience is key when it comes to email marketing. You need to know who you're sending emails to, what interests them, and how best to engage with them. If you already have a customer database, use it to segment your list according to age, gender, interests, or other criteria. This will help you target specific groups of people with tailored messages that are more likely to convert into sales. You can also use analytics tools such as Google Analytics and social media insights to gain better insight into your target audience and their online behavior. This will help you craft more effective emails that appeal to the right people. Tip 3. Keep it personal. Personalization is an important part of email marketing. When a recipient sees their own name or other personal information in the subject line or body of your message, they're more likely to engage with it. You can use segmentation and automated emails to tailor messages according to the recipient's interests, needs, and history. For example, if you're promoting a new product, you could create separate emails for customers who have purchased from you in the past and those who haven't. The former email could include personalized messages about why they should upgrade to the new product, while the latter message could introduce them to the product and its benefits. Tip 4. Seductive subject lines. With all the emails people receive each day, it's no wonder why most of them get ignored. That's why you need to be creative and craft compelling subject lines that will grab your readers' attention and make them want to open your email. Think of it as a headline for an article. It should be short, catchy, and to the point. You can also use humor or surprise elements to stand out from the crowd. Use words like free, exclusive, or special offer in your subject line to draw attention. Tip 5. Carefully craft the email body. The body of your email plays a critical role in how readers will react to it. Make sure that you use an engaging tone, clear and concise language, short paragraphs, and bullet points so that your message is easy to read. You should also format the text according to the preferences of the recipient, such as using larger text for older recipients or a more visual layout for younger audiences. In addition to the content of your email, consider including other elements like images, videos, and social media links to make it more appealing. Remember that quality always trumps quantity. Focus on providing value rather than simply bombarding people with information. Tip 6. Use a compelling call to action. In order to encourage your readers to take the desired action, you need to use an effective call to action. This is usually placed at the end of the email and encourages readers to do something, such as visiting your website or signing up for a free trial of your product. To create a powerful call to action, identify exactly what you want your recipients to do and how they can do it. Use bold fonts, highlighters, or other visual elements to make it stand out from the rest of the content. You should also try different versions of your call to action so that you can gauge which one works best with different audiences. Tip 7. Test, measure, and tweak. Finally, you need to constantly test your email marketing strategy so that you can optimize it over time. This involves creating different versions of your email subject line, content, and call to action to see which one yields the best results. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates to determine what's working or not. Then make changes accordingly based on this feedback. For example, if you notice that your open rates are low, consider using A/B testing to experiment with different subject line and body content. If your click-through rates are higher than average, try incorporating more visuals or including social media links to encourage readers to engage with your message outside of their inbox. With regular testing and tweaking, you can constantly improve the effectiveness of your email marketing strategy. Overall, if you want to achieve success with email marketing, it's important to create a strategy that is well-tailored to your audience and consistently optimize over time. By following these tips, you can boost engagement, increase ROI, and ultimately grow your business. Best of luck! Do come back and let us know in the comments how you got on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.